What if you had to buy a brand new car every time you got into an accident? Or pay a hospital bill so big it would take years to pay off? Life is full of unexpected moments, and when disaster strikes, it can leave you in financial ruin, unless you have insurance. Take Sarah, for example. She had been paying for car insurance for years without ever needing it. Then one rainy night, she skidded on the highway and crashed into a guardrail. The damage was bad, and the repair costs were more than she had in savings. But instead of panicking, she called her insurance company. Within days, they covered most of the expenses, and Sarah was back on the road. Without insurance, she would have been stuck with a massive bill she couldn't afford. So, how does insurance actually work? Think of it like a giant safety club. Everyone in the club pays a small amount of money, called a premium, into a shared pool. When someone experiences a loss, like a car accident, a house fire, or a medical emergency, the money from that pool is used to help them recover. Instead of one person dealing with a massive financial burden alone, the risk is spread across many people, making it manageable for everyone. When you sign up for insurance, you choose a policy, which is basically a contract between you and the insurance company. This policy spells out what's covered, what's not, and how much the company will pay when something goes wrong. You then pay regular premiums, just like a subscription to protection. The price depends on a few factors, like your age, where you live, and how risky the insurance company thinks you are. A young driver with a history of speeding, for example, will pay more for car insurance than someone who has a perfect driving record. When something bad happens, you file a claim. This is a request for the insurance company to step in and cover the costs. But before they pay, you often have to contribute a certain amount yourself. This is called a deductible. Think of it like an entry fee. If your deductible is $500 and your car repair costs $2,000, you pay the first $500, and the insurance company covers the rest. The higher your deductible, the lower your monthly premium, because you're agreeing to take on more of the risk yourself. There are many different types of insurance, each protecting against different risks. Health insurance helps cover medical expenses so you're not stuck with massive hospital bills. Car insurance pays for damage to your vehicle and others in an accident. Homeowners insurance protects your house and belongings from fires, storms, or theft. Life insurance provides financial support to your family if you pass away, helping them cover expenses and maintain their quality of life. Insurance companies use math, statistics, and history to decide how much to charge. They study patterns to make sure they're collecting enough money to pay claims while still making a profit. This is why a person with a history of health problems might pay more for health insurance, and why people living in flood-prone areas might have higher home insurance rates. While insurance is a safety net, it's not perfect. Some claims get denied if they don't fit the policy's rules. Sometimes people feel frustrated paying for insurance year after year without using it. But that's actually a good thing. It means they haven't faced a disaster. On the other hand, some people try to cheat the system by filing false claims, which is illegal and ends up raising costs for everyone. Despite its flaws, insurance plays a huge role in modern life. It helps families recover from unexpected losses, prevents businesses from going bankrupt after disasters, and allows people to take risks without fear of financial ruin. Imagine trying to buy a house, drive a car, or start a company without any kind of protection. The risks would be overwhelming. At its core, insurance is about peace of mind. It's a way for people to chip in a little, so that when disaster strikes, no one is left to face it alone. Now that you know how insurance works, do you think it's worth it? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into how the world works.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.